Welcome back to the Mix Lovelies and Friends, and on the mix is Marcia. Now, Marcia is challenging 13. She's sending a message to 13, who allegedly is bothering her. Now, she's saying that 13 is challenging her to get an apartment within the next 2 weeks and to provide proof of her credit. Now, this is something that Marcia is saying that she don't need to do that to prove anything to anyone. She's living in a luxury suite and she's comfortable. She has her maid service and she gets breakfast in the morning and she's okay with where she's at. So there's no need for her to get up and to go and get an apartment at this time. However, she is not explaining herself to 13. She's letting 13 know that, listen, I'm not going to get an apartment, not on your watch, not when you say, but when I am comfortable enough to go and get it on my own. Now, she's talking about a bag of things, I'm sorry. About 13, she's dissing her due to the fact that, I don't know how 13 came out to her and what 13 said, but she is dissing her. And as you know, Marcia, once you try to overthrow her, then she's going to come at you. And so she's coming really hard at 13 right now. So you guys have to go and catch the video. And remember, guys, to like, share, comment. And it's important for you to subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovelies, have yourselves a wonderful morning.
People them. I give you things. Hey? Them sexless, them unhappy, and low self-esteem. You cannot call me low self-esteem? Are you crazy? You can't even show your full body on social media. The way you are, you can't even show your full body on social media. Come here, say big fat and sour like a hog, like a hippopotamus. You can't even show your full body on social media. You can't challenge me. Me a hot girl road. Where you come from? You all talk about DNA test. We take DNA test for pitney. You have 5 pitney. And I possibly at Jamaica you have 5 of them. And it is known in Jamaica that 7 out of 10 pitney at Jamaica jacket. They give it to the wrong man. I mean, no say how you fly away and guard the Somali Island. You have 5 pitney. I guarantee the 5 of them we have, or maybe 4 of them belong to the wrong man. Because you talk one life story, so you used to walk and trick man for money. So me have one, and me know the dick will go up in this scratch. And the one pitney that I have with the one man, the pitney is 24-year-old long up until today. Me and the man is responsible. When me live with the man from I was around 19 years old, it was we attack. Me back and forth in a relationship with him. Me live with him until I get pregnant at the age of 28. Me was working as in Columbia Presbyterian Hospital. From me find out that me pregnant, me stop work. I never go back to work until CJ was about 3 years old. And him take care of me in the household with a whole barrage of family. You come on social media with your little idiot self, oh man come catch me in a bathroom with man. You's a fool. You see the house me grew up in with my baby father? Him papa live there, him mama live there, him sisters them all live there, cousin live there. Nobody can catch me with no man. Cause me no walk and give my pussy like a dog. Don't mix me up with few batty boy son them. Are your batty boy, are your girl them. Don't mix me up. Don't mix me up by pussy with yours. It's only one pitney push out of this Ross. You see how it is one pitney push out of this Ross. You have 5. That means that your pussy will be bigger than mine. That means your fallopian tube stretch out more than mine. You have 5. And me have 1. 1 dege one. I mean never dash rebelliate. You understand? So you don't come challenge me. If you come pay apartment, if you come get apartment in 2 weeks, me well comfortable in a me luxury apartment. This is called a luxury apartment. Luxury apartment. You have me staying here, you have other guests here. I met a gentleman who has been here from October who is working for a company. You cannot talk about apartment. Bitch ass cranny woman. I am in a luxury apartment where we get maid service and breakfast made. You can't challenge me and say me forget apartment in a 2 weeks. You're fucking bright. Yeah? You're bright. You're bright and out of that. I get up, me never know, say, oh, you want to come, you want to come be my garbage man. You want to come be my pad. Oh, the place where me is, you're not getting enough, you're uncomfortable kind of used to good things. So you want to go one little local house now, so you can come and take a bugu. And take a bugu out of my nose, what bitch, sit here. Come near it. Dinner time, bitch. None in the right now. Come near it. Me just don't bathe. Me have some piss now and bottle for your drink. So your soap and can get better. Good. Come near it. And that you forget. Makeup time with Marcia Everbless. Makeup time. We don't need no more because I'm not going anywhere. It's perfect. Perfect. Yes. Come near it. What kind of madness is that? What kind of madness is that? You, Copa, you, both here challenge me. You can't challenge good pussy, Marcia. Eh? Woman, go sit your ass down. Eh? 5 pitney you push out of your big thinking hole, and then you come and chat about jacket. Go take DNA pan for them. I guarantee I pay a jacket every day, man. You don't know if you put me daddy. Me live with mine. Move fryer with your little thinking sewer pipe pussy. Move fryer. You're only looking for the sewer chuck. If you come scrape out the parasite them out of you. Sit down and wait. You can't talk about nobody. You can't talk about nobody, bitch. Come here, dirty 13, and you may talk to. Come here, blood clot Kingston, suck pussy 13. Come here, and you may chat to. And Bugo nose eating 13, and you may talk to. Cause you look like your blood clot so foot now get better. And you may talk to. Yes, you may talking to. You see a man. Hold on, my friend text me. Eh? You're going like say. You're going but your challenge. Eh? Move from yourself. You underprivileged swine. And go find one blood clot happen and go walla in them blood clot shit. Go sit down. You're both bright and hot harder. Eh? I would say never see come see blood clot. One sided crotch woman come from. How will you come from? Both you come from Facebook. Both say you are challenge Marcia. Eh? Credit. You know the amount of people. What you know about my credit? Eh? What you know about me? Eh? One side pussy woman. What you know about me? What you know about What you know about me? Your pussy lean like I went I cringe up like I went star apple. set pantry and can't drop. Eh? And you did talk about somebody. We're talking about who? Eh? Eh? Right now your pussy must be big and swell up like a goatee. Just like how your foot them swell up and bigger so your pussy swell up like a goatee. Now dick can't go there. Now dick can't go there. That's why you're so mad. That's why you're so mad at the over the dicky girls like one bad. Over the dicky girl. Anytime it's me. Share the video. Come. Make sure you follow the page. Come get the page. Follow the page up at top. Follow the page up at top, my dear. Follow the page. Because we have to put them underprivileged people in their place. Oh, my face is looking pretty, honey. Yes. You have to put these people in their place. Yeah, I mean, big up yourself. I mean, love your supporter, J-Quan. Where you are come from? Where you come from with your swallow pussy? Your pussy need to go down first. If your foot can't, if you're any at all, your foot swell, pussy swell. Your pussy big like a jackfruit. Not the end of this world to fix it. Go to the doctor and rejuvenate your big fat pussy. Your pussy need liposuction. The man then can't manage it. So don't come grudge me, honey, for my nice, tenderoni, virgin pussy. You can't talk about me. It is stated that 7 out of 10 pitney were born in Jamaica. They in jacket. But thank be to God, my daddy have 6 with my mother, and the whole of we look alike. Brown or not brown. Then cut the fit. Me had a splitting image. And my grandmother for up over. The splitting image. The splitting image of my granny up above rock. The splitting image on it. My grandmother was a maroon woman. Her hair catch her way down her back with some cool hair. And she have the little flat nose. The tail of people them nose are straight. My sister them look like my mother. And look like my auntie them with them little small face. Me had a sister them in North Carolina the whole way. My brother, the dead stamp of my daddy. The brother Ochi, when me post a sing, big up to my brother. The people them love your song. You understand? Yes, my Rasta brother for Ochi. With them on Facebook. Make sure now when I go like up the video. It got over 60,000 views and 1,000 likes. My brother, you need to cut a record. Because that is a whole heap of like right there. That is, well, he must sing long time anyway. As you can see, singing is in the family. Because my brother DJ. You understand? You can't cuss somebody where you come from. What kind of swell up foot woman, swell up pussy woman like you come from? Challenging me. Me must go get 2 weeks to get an apartment. What you need to do is to catch a motherfucking flight and come and Connecticut, come and walk naked. Maybe if you come to Connecticut and come strip yourself naked out the door, your sore foot will get better. Your sore foot will get better. Your sore foot will get better. And that is it. Me never know. He look like say when me not fuck me man. You were under the pillow, under the sheet of account stroke. Me not cover up with sheet when me afraid. Because my body smell good and it look good. And it's nice and soft. So I don't hide and I don't have sex in darkness. Because I have to see what the man have. I have to make sure, so when he pull up with the condom, me have to make sure, so the condom, and show me, so the condom no bust. So me not have sex in the darkness. Because me have to know what is there. So no man can't come with me, my date a man, and me and him reach a destination and them can't have sex with me in the darkness. That's number 1. Number 2, when the condom come out, me have to see it. Him have to pull it out, and me have to make sure, so there is no leakage and no bust. So if anything baby come or anything transmitted to everything, he can't come say and me give it, me know because me know my medical record. So that's one thing, me not have sex in the darkness. So if a man can't accept me for my fluffiness, no bother with it. How like you feel room of a pitch black? Well, they don't have sex long time. Which man want a pussy there? Their pussy they smell like a carbine. So nobody don't want you. So you don't have sex. That's why you come and grudge me. That's why you so fantasize about my man every day. Every motherfucking day. Every day. Every day you fantasize about my man. I'm giving you 2 weeks. Well, I'm giving you 2 weeks to show you the motherfucking ass on social media. You giving me 2 weeks to find a place? I'm giving you 2 weeks to show your ass on social media full from head to toe. Put on one shorts and one blouse. May I give you 2 weeks? Yeah, challenge me. I'm giving you 2 motherfucking weeks to show your full body from head to toe. All your ginger toe them with full of bacteria. Them the toe. Because any at all if it's rotten, that means your toenail is not good either. Your toenail is no good. You understand? So you want to come and give me 2 weeks. Yeah? You can't see me in my luxury apartment. And you in a winter when me I stay for the winter. Until when winter over. And you are come and tell me what a way your blood clot grudgeful in a few piece of whole rat place. Eh? Where you talk about rat and roach? This look like in yourself rat and roach, bitch? Eh? You see any rat? You see any rat in here? You see any roach up in the ceiling top? You see any cobweb in here? Because you used to come and say the cobweb. Eh? Down to the toilet seat cleaner than your mouth. Eh? You see any cobweb in here? Me see me shower here. You see there? You see any cobweb in my shower? You see soap over there, so shampoo, soap, me shower gel. You see, where you see? I'm just saying. Where you see? You see roach in here? You see any roach in here? Look if you find a roach, bitch. Come dry it up. See if you find a roach in here. You see rat in here? You see roach and rat in here? All my toilet cleaner than your mouth. All my toilet cleaner than your mouth. All my toilet cleaner than your mouth. So me want to ask you, show me. Me I give you 2 weeks. May I give you 2 weeks? May I give you 2 weeks to come and show me? May I give you 2 weeks to come and show me which part? Because show me your body. May I give you 2 weeks? Because you're too enough. You're all up in my pussy every day. Go find one of your audience that will love pussy and go check them out. Every day you haul up in my pussy. After me have my pitney 24 years ago, you have the fucking nerve. Me don't know when you have feel jacket one day, but me know say my one cut to fit. Him daddy take care of him straight from in my belly and up until today. Both of us. Me hear you talk about me not even have the money to bail my pitney out of jail. Then I won't for pitney in jail. I must see your pitney hitch for one ass body right now and can't come off. But not my son. I must see your pitney one. I must see your boy stuck in our blood clot hole now and can't come out. Cause that's what your son do at night time. Walk and suck wood. That's what him do. That is what him do. My wanna do that. My wanna so who not have money for people in jail? Who have it in jail? I must fear your ass man in jail. Not my pitney.